Welcome to the tutorial on how to find the IP address for Xiaomi C300 smart camera. This can help you troubleshoot network issues, set up port forwarding for remote access, or simply keep track of your devices on your network. Make sure you have the My Home app installed on your smartphone and logged in with your Xiaomi My Home account. Navigate to the camera you want to check the IP address for. Once you're in the camera's settings, look for the three-dot button located in the top right corner. Tap on it. Next, select Additional Settings from the menu. In the Additional Settings menu, find and tap on Network Info. Here, you'll find all the network information related to your camera, including the Wi-Fi network it's connected to, signal strength, and most importantly, the IP address. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi C300 camera in the playlist linked in the description below.